Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 1,000-piece roll of star stickers. These are so cute. There are 8 different colors of holographic stars that all have different little smiley faces on them. I mean, these would be fantastic if you are a teacher or just wanting to give out different stars, because they can do a lot of different things. It's got a nice sticker back to it that sticks onto anything, and the foil isn't coming off. So when you are using it, you can either give it to your kids, award them as a nice sticker for they've done a good time, or you can put it on different things just to mark it as yours. Here. You can put stickers on things, put it on like a tape measure so then you know which one's yours. I mean, these are just a lot of fun, and as you can see, they kind of glisten in the sun a little bit. It'd be a nice sticker to be able to give out. With the roll style, you can easily put it on something and grab them quickly. So maybe at a doctor's office or anything, you can use these as well. But this is a great stickers that you can use on so many different things.